Lattafa, The Kingdom. Ito, bibigyan natin ng first impression sa video ito. So, si Lattafa, The Kingdom, nakuha natin siya sa marketplace, and the usual price of Lattafa, The Kingdom is around 1,500 to 2,000 pesos. Now, the bottle that I got right here is already used. Unfortunately, I'm not able to find the brand new Lattafa, The Kingdom right now in the marketplace. Pero I got this at a good price. That's why kinuha ko na rin. So, ayan. So, it doesn't come with the box though. Maganda yung presentation ng box ni Lattafa, The Kingdom. But the bottle itself, okay naman. Di ko lang ganong gusto yung kanyang presentation with the gold accents and all. Kasi para siya mukhang cheap for me. Okay? Pero, yeah, it depends on the taste of the people. It might be good for you. Okay? Pero, for me, okay lang. Meron din siya mga parang bato-bato the side. Okay? And at the back, meron siyang ribs. Or rib na part. Okay? Branding sa harapan, and then sa ilalim, may sticker. Okay, so si Lattafa, The Kingdom is a dupe of your Le Male Elixir, and the Le Male Elixir is one of the perfumes that I really like in terms of the DNA. Now, si Lattafa, The Kingdom is again the same as or a dupe of your Le Male Elixir. So the main accords would be vanilla, aromatic, sweet, amber, lavender, green, fresh spicy, tobacco, herbal, and balsamic. And top notes would be lavender, mint, sage, middle notes of vanilla, tobacco, orange blossom, base notes of tonka, benzoin, and labdanum. Now, si Lattafa, The Kingdom is kanyang sprayer or atomizer ay gold. Pareha silang gold. Okay, so spray natin. Yan, ganda ng kanyang buga. Tama-tama yung volume na lumabas. And the opening of this one, you can smell the vanilla and the lavender, mint, and sage. Okay. Okay. Ang sweet, ang aromatic ng kanyang amoy. And para siyang vanilla na mainit. Okay. Matamis-tamis na vanilla. And ang sarap niyang amoy-amoyin. Powdery na kind of scent na, you know, masarap. For me. Okay? And then, as I mentioned to you, it's one of those favorite nating na scent DNA. Okay? And this is very much applicable for your night outs, okay, for your date nights, for your special occasions, for your suit and tie events, yung mga ganyan. Pwede yan sa mga situation na gamitin natin itong si Lattafa, especially at night and malamig yung situation. Okay, not really that much applicable for high heat. Subukan ko nang gumamit ng DNA din ni Le Male Elixir, and medyo cloying siya pagka mainit, and you know, it might not be good also for the people around you pagka naamoy nila sa initan yung ganong kind of scent na medyo pagka vanilla or may pagka tobacco. Yeah. Okay, so yun na muna ang ating first impression. So far, I'm really liking it. Ang sarap ng amoy nito ni Lattafa, and it's the same as, you know, the scent DNA ni Le Male Elixir talaga na naamoy natin before. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do some testing of Lattafa, The Kingdom. I'll wear it, and then I'll get back to you on my full review next time. Okay, so if you have any questions or anything that you'd like for me to review in the future, please leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to reply to your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!